Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the Timeout market in Lisbon and Lisbon traditional Tram 51 and the famous Tram 28. If you are interested to know more about Tram 51 and the Timeout market, please watch the video until the end. The trams of Lisbon are integral part of the public transportation. There are two kinds of trams in Lisbon: the historic Romeldeldo trams and the modern trams. The historic trams are mainly famous in the old part of the city. The most famous tram in Lisbon is Tram 28, but don't miss the Tram 51. It is famous because of its artistic graffiti. So guys, after visiting the Tram 51 and I'm walking now to go to the Tram 28, the famous Tram 28. It is famous because it passes through the popular tourist districts of Graca, Alfama, Baixa and Estrela. So that's why tourists like this tram. So let's go. So guys, it was really nice to pass all these tourist district and I really enjoyed the Tram 28 tour. And if you are in Lisbon, don't hesitate to come and take a ride with Tram 28. So guys, what is Timeout Market? It's a food court. It has a different kind of food, so if you go with your family or friends, there will be no problem to choose their favorite dishes or favorite food. Guys, the Timeout Market food court is popping up now everywhere, and I believe there is one in New York just opened, and also in Miami and a lot of other places. So guys, visit Timeout Market. So guys, here is the Timeout Market website. It's timeoutmarket.com/Lisbon. They have a lot of other places in the world, but this one is in Lisbon. So if you go to their menu, and you can see they have a lot of other things as well. They give concert events, but we are going to the menu, eat and drink, and then you can see all the stalls, all the restaurant, you can say. It's all in one roof, so you can choose a lot of different kind of food and eat there and eat. And they have also second floor where you can they organize sometime the concert and other events. So guys, here is all the restaurant. As you can see, there is a lot of choices, and they have a seafood, they have a burger, they have a pizza, Asian, you name it. So how many restaurant is all together? Restaurant and shops, I think around 56 stalls there inside. So guys, there will be never problem to choose everybody's choice of food. I loved it, and I will, if I go back anywhere nearby Timeout Market, I will definitely go there. So if you click in the address, then you can see the Timeout Market is here, and close to Timeout Market there is a metro station, and it's called Cais do Sodre, and I don't know which part of the city you are coming from. If you look the metro station from your location, and then you can easily find this metro station, and when you come here it's just a couple of minutes of walk to the Timeout Market. So guys, don't forget to go to Timeout Market if you are in Lisbon or anywhere else. Get an experience. It's really nice, the atmosphere, the food, and everything. I really enjoyed there. So guys, I heard a lot about the pastry, the famous pastry of Lisbon, and this is called pastel donata, and I bought one, and I'm going to try it now, and I will let you know how it tastes. Let's test it. So guys, look at this. This is what everybody is talking about in the city or in Lisbon, and I'm going to try it. It's so delicious. I don't know what is it, made from some dough and some kind of pudding there, and it's delicious. It's not so sugary. I mistake to buy only one. Next time I'll buy a couple of them. Okay guys, if you come in Lisbon, don't hesitate to buy this and try this. Okay?
I wanna know when you're gonna come.
So guys, Lisbon is so nice walking in the evening. You will find a lot of animation, and I found one of the singer, my favorite artist of Bob Marley's song he's singing, and I stand there and I watch him. He is so good, and so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, take care, and I will see you with another video very soon.